Hello there! Today, we're exploring how Microsoft Word Copilot can streamline your documentation process. We'll follow Alex as he creates the requirements document for the Quick Add Contact feature. Let's dive in. Alex begins by prompting Copilot to create a requirements document based on the meeting notes. Copilot uses these notes to generate a preliminary draft. With the initial draft ready, Alex utilizes Copilot on the right to identify the necessary sections for the document. Copilot suggests templates for reference. Alex reviews a template from the internet to determine the sections to include. Next, Alex instructs Copilot to restructure the document based on the suggested sections. Copilot reorganizes the content into a structured format, ensuring all necessary sections are clearly defined. Alex then reviews the document and asks Copilot to enhance the layout by converting text into tables. Copilot converts large text blocks into tables for better readability, making the document more streamlined and user-friendly. To make the document more concise, Alex uses Copilot to rewrite certain sections. Continuing to refine the document, Alex leverages Copilot's assistance for further editing. Copilot ensures the document meets professional standards, making necessary adjustments for clarity and coherence. Once satisfied with the final output, Alex completes the document. By leveraging Copilot's capabilities, Alex efficiently documented the feature requirements, ensuring accuracy, clarity, and a professional finish in the final document.